Hello, I'm Dave Hartman, NX CAM application engineer and presenter. I've had quite the journey in the machining industry, and today I'm here to talk about NX CAM on-machine probing. On-machine probing operations are a mimicked version of your machine's macros. They enable you to create, set parameters, and simulate probing cycles directly within your normal NX CAM workflow. The post-processor delivers the machine cycle with information gathered implicitly through geometry selection or explicitly through specific dialogues. The simulation mimics the real cycle. With support for specific controller cycles and in-process logic, NX CAM empowers manufacturers to catch issues early, optimize efficiency, and ensure consistently high quality parts. In addition, a CAM partner can deliver a specific, no caveat solution to your needs. Like any good discipline, CAM is constantly evolving, and smart programmers can use it to own the manufacturing process. On one side of the chasm, CAM is applied almost exclusively as toolpaths removing material. On the progressive side of the chasm, CAM is part of a whole digital manufacturing strategy, enabling closed-loop feedback, real-time decision-making, and process intelligence. NX CAM is no longer just about cutting, it's about connecting everything that powers digital manufacturing. With NX CAM's on-machine probing, measurement is fully integrated into your machining strategy, closing the loop between digital planning and real-world execution. Traditionally, probing lived outside CAM in manual steps on separate systems. A common situation I've encountered in the past is that the programming role, myself, would provide toolpaths and the operator would be responsible for any probing functions. So the operator then would reference a manual or interact with a conversational control to produce the probing code. This disruption in workflow has to be communicated and accounted for each time the program is run. Who owns the true record isn't completely clear, and we'd better hope that no one who worked on this was on vacation on a day that it needs made. This demonstration, done in version 2412.5, uses Sim 08 Mil5 axis, SciNumeric. The OMP Post and CSE package are from PostHub. Please reach out if you would like help downloading and installing these. Shown are the 3-axis milling measure workpiece cycles associated with this control. Let's get into NX and have a look. Here's a part with all kind of features on it, almost like it was specifically made for an OMP demo. Create operation. On-machine probing. A program group, a tool, a geometry, and a method. Select OK. Please be aware that I adjusted the non-cutting moves in the template operation. Out of the box, it may come in as none. I set it to use inherited. So in the main tab, we see that we have our tool selected. We have no probing geometry selected yet. We don't have any part stock, and we have no cycles. The first step is to select something to probe. After we've done that, we've generated a probing cycle with plenty of points ready to go directly into the cycle. And we also have a decision. We have 2 eligible cycles. Let's select a different feature. This time, we received cycle 961 any corner and also cycle 961 corner right angled inner corner. How about just one face? Set edge. Also align edges. And this won't be relevant. How about this rib? We may have a collision there and may need to build a protection zone. Yep. Let's head into specify measurement parameters. After we've selected protection zone, notice that our path has significantly adjusted. Let's see if we have any more room in here. Well, didn't quite yell at me, did it? All right. How about this? Okay, so we have 977 and 979. We have one hole, and also notice that we avoided this little internal boss. Let's have one peek at specify measurement parameters. So here we have a measurement method. We can use standard measuring method, and then we can measure only and then use those variables downstream with some smart programming. And we can also use the machine's cycles and abilities to, adjust a work offset, adjust a tool offset. We can add a further protection zone, and then of course we can specify these parameters, the diameter in alpha 1, contingent upon what we're doing up here. So select OK. Thank you for watching the Designfusion NX CAM on machine probing demo. And remember, Designfusion can deliver custom solutions that store your machine's variables and commands that execute your company's intent. Please reach out and take care.